Now we all know that there are 1,000,001 things wrong with West Indies cricket right now. Don't have the time or the space to get into all the details. But one of the very basic and fundamental things crippling the rescue and rebuilding efforts of the regional game was typified in my experience over the weekend, sitting at home with my television remote, searching for the first ODI between the West Indies and Bangladesh. Me search and me search and me search till my finger tired. No cricket. And that right there seems simple, but it's a very instructive reality that the general public of the Caribbean cannot see the West Indies team play. In today's world, a sport that is not being seen, not even by its home fans, is a sport that is not going nowhere. I can find images of Viv Richards and Clive Lloyd playing in the 70s and 80s quicker than I can find the West Indies playing yesterday or today. And outside of the difficulty of marketing and selling a product that nobody can see, there is the developmental component of an entire generation of youngsters not seeing the cricket, not seeing their stars and their heroes, thus missing out on the inspirational and motivational possibilities. That huge intangible is non-existent if nobody can see the cricket. So when we hide the cricket from the kids who are supposed to be the future of the game, where the cricket go? Eh? Where it go? By the way, let me finish my story talking about me and my television and the remote over the weekend. When me search and me search and me search and me couldn't find the cricket, eh? Me just get them a thing name. Yes!